So, my mom said we were gonna start a garden. And I was like, oh no, really? I mean, digging in the dirt, pulling out weeds, and learning how to take care of each tiny seed, sounds like way too much work, right? At first, it was kinda tough. The ground was hard, the sun was hot, and I didn't know if I was doing anything right. I thought, maybe gardening isn't my thing. Suddenly excited, but guess what? After a while, I noticed something cool. The seeds started to grow. I had little green plants popping up everywhere. And then, one day, I got to eat the first tomato I grew all by myself. It was the juiciest, yummiest tomato I've ever tasted. And that's when I realized that gardening means I can grab fresh snacks anytime. No more waiting for mom to bring out the chips, I've got carrots and berries right here. It's like a science experiment, but with dirt. Plus, watching those plants grow? It's like the best science experiment ever. I'm basically a plant scientist now. You get to be a garden boss. And you know what? Being the boss of my very own garden feels pretty awesome. I choose what to plant, and I get to eat the rewards. Who knew hard work could be this tasty? So yeah, gardening was hard at first, but I'm really glad I stuck with it. Now, I'm the king of my garden, and you can be too.